Hello everyone, this is Hanan. Welcome to Amazon Affiliate Marketing and SEO course. Viewers, this is our lecture number, I think 4. Yes, it's 4. In this lecture, we're gonna have a look at this HTML and CSS. You don't need to get worried about it. If you don't know anything about HTML and CSS, we are not gonna learn HTML and CSS. It's just a basic. So let's start from HTML. What is HTML? Basically, HTML is an abbreviation of a hypertext markup language. In HTML, we just need to know the basic things. Let's see. This is the HTML tag. This tag used for paragraph. This P for paragraph, and this start from here, and this slash indicates this tag is ending here. Paragraph tag is ending here. Same like that. If H1 is for heading 1, and tag close. So same H2, heading 2, H2. So it's from H1 to H6. There are 6 types of heading in this HTML. What you need to learn? Go to W3 schools here. Go to w3schools.com and click on here HTML. In this HTML, go to HTML basics. So you just need to go through this. There is no need to learn. You just need to go through it to know what is the practical implementation of this tag. Like H1 is used for the heading, and P is used for a paragraph. So you just need to know the implementation, execution of these tags. Yes, href, this is an important tag. You need to learn this HTML link tag, href, because this is gonna help us in SEO. Anchor href equal to, here we're gonna put this, I suppose we need to this website address, Control V. Okay, now first tag is closed. Here anchor text, we're gonna use anchor text like W3 schools and A. Anchor text close. You need to learn this. Now what is anchor text? Okay, anchor text. In this anchor text is W3 schools. What does it mean? It means it will appear on your website, W3 schools. When somebody is gonna click on this W3 schools, so it will redirect to this website. Let me show you the example here. Let me show you. We're gonna notepad. Okay, let me copy this here. Control S. I'm gonna save on desktop. Here, anchor dot HTML. Okay, it's saved. Let's see, let's open this anchor. So here, this is clickable, W3 schools. When somebody click on this here, so this, whatever the link address you put here, this, so it will open this address. Now as you have if you have noticed is that we click on this link and the new W3 schools is going to open in the same tab, but now we want, if we click here, so W3 schools website will open in a new tab. What gonna new this? Let's see here. We're gonna use for this a target, and here link, you're gonna review this HTML link and hyper URL target. Where is the target? Yes, by default is a self. What does it mean? It means it's open the document in the same window, a tab, as it was clicked. But if we are going to target blank, it means it will open in a new tab. So here target and target underscore blank. Sorry, that's it. You can see, so it will open in a new tab. Let me show you target let me copy this. If I can practically show you this, where is anchor text? Let me open this with a new tab. Sorry, notepad, and here Control S. I'm going to this HTML. Now refresh this. See, I click, now it's going to open this in a new tab. That's simple. So now what you need to learn this, let me close this. From W3 schools, basics and link, paragraph heading, and image, you just have a look at the HTML forms as well, and HTML media, video, audio, and YouTube, HTML example. That's it. Just review this, and you can here try it yourself, practice this, and you can practice here this. That's all we need from HTML. That's it. Now move to the CSS. So what is the CSS? Viewers, basically HTML is, we're gonna have the basic structure of website in HTML. In CSS we do all the stylings, or you can say we do the makeup of website. We make it as much beautiful, as much we make it more friendly for the users. So all styles, all makeup, if in a simple language, we all do makeup for the website. So we're gonna use this CSS. We do this in CSS. Like, this is the basic structure. We're gonna put this animation or any anything, any colors. We do this in CSS. So types of CSS, there are 3 types of CSS: inline, import, external. We don't need to learn what is how this gonna work. So inline is this, there's no need to learn. It will gonna be for newbies, it will be a more difficult or complicated. So CSS, we don't need to learn CSS, so it's just for your knowledge. So external is the best one we recommend. So that's all we need from HTML and CSS. Basically HTML must learn this HTML that I mentioned from, and do practice this. And in CSS we don't need as much CSS, we don't need required coding. That's all from today. I hope you will like this video. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.